Well, boys and girls, monsoon coming after work hours, because look what I have here. Yes, the footings are poured, you can't see them. That's not the only trouble we got. Look at the AC unit. Crashed down in the hole. Everything's covered to footings, We had major storms today. We pumped this several times before the footings. We poured these ones over here. We poured these ones over here with the bucket of the excavator. That's completely underwater. These are the pier footings, but everything is complete. There's, you know, 2 foot of water in there right now. Well, 10 inches and 12 inches, but it ain't over. This storm just this is unbelievable. I'm in a mess right now. We got to go get my major pump and start. That pump's not holding up. I knew with all these roofs and everything that AC is still running, so it's running. We'll have to just be very careful and put it back up. If, you know, it needs to be recharged, it needs to be recharged, but we'll figure that out when we get to that point. I said to the GC we should strap it up. We played the weather card, you know, and that's what happened. But I've strapped them to the building before, but that was far back. But it kept caving in slowly. Never thought it would give out like that. But with that roof line up here, with no gutters or nothing, and the amount of rain we just had, I mean, there's floods, there's accidents, trees down, floods everywhere in this whole town. I mean, I'm talking serious tornado stuff. So this is where we're at. Be a fun one tomorrow, so stay tuned. All right, guys, good morning. Back on site. What a muddy mess. Miko's been shoveling for hours. I came to shovel for a little bit. As you see, I had to go grab some stuff, pipe and whatnot. He's got that whole corner shoveled out, which is quite amazing. That was all, this whole thing was caved in, as you saw yesterday in the video. We still got to contend with this. I brought some 2x4s. We're going to get this up in the air, so stay tuned. We'll install pipe. All right, my people, it was muddy, it was messy, but we got it. Hilti 2x4 in there, Hilti the back brace in there, braced everything up, good to go. Everything's worked, nothing cracked on the solder. We just tested it, it is working. Now we got to get this big pile out of here. All right, we got the bucket down there. We're gonna shovel it in the bucket. Yeah, boys, getting the stone. About to jack myself up with the hard 20 EpiPen. Got stung again in the shoulder blade. The bee was up in the back of my shirt. Now I can't feel my shoulder, my elbow, or my fingers. All numb on this side, so pow, right in the neck. If I make it to the job, I'm good. See you in a bit. To the job. These things feeling good. It was just a little yellow hornet, man. Craziness. All right, stone's here. Gonna go get the van, drop off the truck, bring back the tools. This Miko got this all dug out, looks good. AC's holding up, and we just got a little muck there to clean. Stone pipe. All right, stone's going in. Should have plenty. Got sprinkled around the outside edge, so that we'll put an inch or so down below the pipe because of the muck. And we should be good. We'll tie in that footing drain over there and that footing drain over there. All right, guys, we got all the white pipe in all around, tied into the existing footings with the flex. Just gonna pin it all with some stone. We checked to see if it was draining, and it is. A lot of water under this house from what we all the rain we've had. So just gonna pin it. Just about lunchtime. These guys are all set to set the forms in there, put a little road in there for them to get the concrete to the back. Yesterday I had to pour the footings with the bucket on the excavator, so now we shouldn't have to because we got to split out. We'll see you in a bit. If not, have a good one. All right, got this temporary access road. Hopefully in a day or two it will dry out when this is formed up. All our stones in, the pipes in, everything's connected. Just check the daylight drain real quick to make sure she's pumping, and we're good to go for a couple days on this one before we got a backfill. Get that backfill inspection and come down here, check this drain real quick. Yeah, she's coming out. There she is, coming out slowly but surely. All right.